Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
Every time I'm going on a road trip, I forget to bring a few useful gadgets, and I know that I'm not the only one. That's why I made this list of the best gadgets for a road trip, so that you never forget to bring the most essential stuff. From a charger to a cup cooler or portable speaker, having the right gadgets on your road trip will make all the difference. So, here are some of the best gadgets that you should consider bringing along on your next road trip. Let's start with a portable air compressor, which is a portable device designed to inflate car tires. It's a useful gadget for road trips, as it allows you to quickly and easily inflate a tire if it becomes underinflated while you're on the road. The portability of the device makes it easy to carry with you, and the compact size means it can be stored in your trunk or back seat. Additionally, some models may come with extra features such as a built-in pressure gauge and multiple nozzle attachments, making it a versatile tool for various inflation needs. These features make the portable air compressor an ideal device to have while traveling, and its affordability makes it a great option for anyone who wants to be prepared for a roadside emergency. A dash cam is a small in-car video camera that records video while you drive. It's mounted on the dashboard or windscreen of your car and provides a continuous, real-time video recording of your journey. Dash cams are useful for road trips as they can provide evidence in the event of an accident or collision, help deter theft or vandalism, and capture unexpected incidents or scenic views while you drive. They can also help lower insurance premiums in some cases. The car cup cooler and warmer is a two-in-one gadget that can be used to both cool and warm beverages while you're on the road. It fits into your car's cup holder and has a temperature display, so you can see exactly how cold or hot your drink is. It's designed for use with water, coffee, beverages, and even milk, so you can enjoy your preferred drink at the right temperature no matter how long your road trip is. This gadget is especially useful in hot or cold climates where you want to keep your drink at a specific temperature. It's compact and portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. A car jump starter is a portable device that provides a quick and convenient way to jump start a dead car battery. It consists of a battery pack that stores a charge and a set of cables with clamps that are used to connect the jump starter to the car battery. When the car battery is dead, the jump starter can be used to supply the necessary power to start the engine. Car jump starters are useful for road trips, as they allow you to jumpstart your car without having to call for assistance or wait for help from another car. They are compact and portable, making them easy to store in your trunk and use in case of an emergency. A portable charger, also known as a power bank, is a handheld device used to store electrical energy and recharge other devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, when their batteries are running low. They are useful for road trips, as they allow you to keep your devices powered even when you're on the go and don't have access to a power source. Portable chargers are a useful tool for any traveler, as they can be used to keep your devices charged no matter where you go. A car vacuum cleaner is a handy gadget to have on a road trip, especially if you're traveling with kids or pets. It can help keep the interior of your car clean and free of dirt, dust, and debris. Car vacuum cleaners are typically portable and can be powered by a battery or through the cigarette lighter in your car. They come with attachments and crevice tools, allowing you to reach all areas of your car's interior and remove dirt from even the tightest spaces. By keeping your car clean, you can ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable trip, free from allergies or unwanted smells. So, if you're planning a road trip and want to keep your car clean and comfortable, consider bringing along a car vacuum cleaner. It's compact, easy to use, and can make a big difference in the overall quality of your trip. A car air purifier is a device that cleans the air inside a vehicle. It removes pollutants such as dust, allergens, cigarette smoke, and unpleasant odors to improve air quality and reduce exposure to harmful substances. Car air purifiers work by using filters or ionization technology to capture pollutants and neutralize them, leaving the air inside the car fresher and cleaner. They are useful for road trips as they help to improve the air quality in the car, reduce the risk of respiratory issues and allergies, and make the journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Car air purifiers come in a range of sizes and styles to fit different types of vehicles and are easy to install and use. A Bluetooth car speaker is a wireless in-car audio system that allows you to play music from your smartphone, tablet, or another Bluetooth-enabled device through your car's speakers. They typically connect to your device via Bluetooth and have simple controls for adjusting volume, skipping tracks, and taking calls. Bluetooth car speakers are useful for road trips, as they allow you to play music, podcasts, or audiobooks from your phone without having to physically connect your device to your car's audio system. And unfortunately, not all cars have the ability to connect a phone to the car's audio system. A car phone mount is a device that securely holds your smartphone or another mobile device while you drive. It is attached to the dashboard, windscreen, or air vents in your car and allows you to have your phone within easy reach and view while driving. Car phone mounts come in various designs and styles, including magnetic, suction cup, and adjustable arm mounts. They are useful for road trips, as they provide a safe and convenient way to use your phone as a GPS navigator, music player, or hands-free device while keeping it within view and reach. Using a car phone mount also helps to avoid distracted driving, as it keeps your phone in a fixed position and reduces the need to handle it while driving. A travel pillow and blanket are essential items for making long road trips more comfortable. A travel pillow is a compact, portable pillow that can be used to support the head and neck while sleeping in a car. Travel blankets are typically lightweight and foldable, making them easy to pack and carry. They provide warmth and comfort during rest stops or overnight stays. Both travel pillows and blankets can be easily stored in a car, making them ideal for road trips where space is limited. They can help prevent fatigue and improve the quality of sleep while on the road, allowing you to feel refreshed and ready to continue your journey. A cooler and insulated travel bag are essential items for keeping food and drinks cool and fresh during a road trip. A cooler is a portable, insulated container that is used to store perishable food and drinks, such as sandwiches, fruits, and beverages. It typically uses ice packs or ice to maintain a low temperature and keep the contents fresh. An insulated travel bag is similar to a cooler but is designed for transporting items that don't require refrigeration, such as snacks, sandwiches, and drinks. It uses insulation to keep the contents at a stable temperature. Both coolers and insulated travel bags are useful for road trips, as they allow you to bring along food and drinks and reduce the need to stop and buy them on the way. This can save time and money and also ensure that you have a convenient and healthy option for meals on the road. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.